Hello everyone, we are going to talk about best budgeting apps in this year 2024. The very first one is YNAB. So here YNAB is very important and we will talk about one by one. So let's talk about the cost here. The cost is around $15 monthly and $99 per year. Best for zero-based budgeting, and YNAB encourage user to allocate every dollars they earn to specific categories, promoting proactive financial management. It offers a lot of things, right? For example, extensive education resources to help user master budgeting techniques. Now let's talk about the second one, that is a Simplify by Quicken. So Quicken is very interesting because it costs you around $50 yearly, and the best for comprehensive financial overview. Simplify provides a user-friendly dashboard for tracking spending, debt payment, repayment, investment. It is designed for those who want a straightforward approach to managing their finances without overwhelming details here. Right now, the third one is, which is also really good, that is a Good Budget, and it costs you $10 per month and $80 per year, including premium features. Uh, the best for envelope budgeting system. This app allow user to set aside money into digital envelope for different spending categories, help them stick to the budget without linking bank accounts. And the last one is Every Dollar. Every dollar costs you around $12 and $80 yearly. First time budgeters, Every Dollars offers a simple interface for creating customizable. So let's just go into this. Budget and setting saving goals. The premium version allow banks connectivity for automatic transaction update. So these are the it, and I hope you, by the way guys, I've also made a summary table. So let's go down here and you can see here, so summary table is very interesting, right? Regarding the cost and best use, you can download, and I also mention if you're looking for something free, right? For example, Honeydew, Empower, and Good Budget is also free, right? So this is it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.